Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you total two websites where we can create a Dofollow social bookmarking backlink. So the first website name is gatherbookmarks.com. Before that we can research something about those website. So according to HREF domain rating is 42 and for the second website name is bbsocialclub.com and for this website domain rating is 50. For the bb.com this is HREF rating, and for the first website Gather Bookmarks this is a domain rating. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. And another thing, if you guys can planning to purchase something, so you guys can also use in the description section where I have added some Amazon affiliate link if you're planning, so you can use or buy if are convenient, because these things can help me for the revenue. I can earn something from with the help of you. Okay, so now we can start. So this is a website dashboard. So you can see there is a register button. You can click over there. Then you guys can add your username and your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password. I guess I have already created, so now I can move. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And this is the first website where we can create a register button. Click register button. There we can add email ID, username and the password. And you guys can verify your captcha. And you can click for the create a user button, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL. And after that you can see there is a submit button. There you guys can add your website URL. Then you can click for the continue. There you guys can add a short title. So I have already generated title for the index page and the video interview software, interview management solution also. Okay, only I can add one keyword, and after that I can going to add a short description and the beeline, and you can click for the save changes and the submit. So you can see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL, and this is a bookmarking backlink. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created high quality social bookmarking backlink on gatherbookmarks.com. So now we can move forward with the second website. So the second website name is bbsocialclub.com, and you can see there is a register button. There you guys can add your username, your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password and the @job, and you guys can verify the captcha. And you can click for the create a user button, and this is our profile landing page URL. So now we can click for the submit button. There we can add our website URL, which URL we wanting to create social bookmarking backlink. There we can add a description and the title tag is video interview software, and now we can verify the captcha, words of wisdom, and we can click for the save changes and the submit button. So you can see this is our social bookmarking landing page URL, and I can also show you in incognito. So this backlink are going to approve instantly, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created total 2 social bookmarking do follow backlink. So okay, yeah. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, So then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section, and if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.